What's up, everybody? Brian's Motorsports. Today, Saturday, we're normally not here on Saturday. Welcome to All Jacked Up. BMS All Jacked Up. We're going to build a JL today. It's my wife's JL I bought probably a couple months ago. New Eco Diesel 2021 Rubicon. Been waiting for a lift kit. Got one from Rough Country. Got some V2 shocks. We're gonna smack talk Jeeps today is what we're gonna do. All these crazy crackheads, I'm just gonna let it all out today. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you. All you little cubicle Jeepsters, you know, and your Cherokees and your other stuff, and you think you know all this Jeep mess, and y'all wanna call us out and say, why you build mall crawlers? You know what? Because they make money, 50% of our sales are women. They look good when they stick the leg out of the Jeep at the gas station and got a BMS off-road sticker in the door jamb. So you know what? Cha-ching, I'm down, okay? BMS off-road, Forgiato, Descentivo T. Most of you don't know, one of our guys here, David, phenomenal employee, great guy, designed this wheel. This is our shield cut into a wheel. Forgiato finally said, all right, let's build some wheels, guys. We've got 4 designs with him. That's why we do so much business with him. And I can pick up the phone and I can talk to the owner of the company, just like you can. If you need something from me, you show up here. That's what I love about Forgiato. Everybody wants to trash talk and all this other stuff. Yeah, it takes 4, 6, 8 weeks when they're busy to get wheels. Why? When you're the best in the wheel business, guess what? If you're not behind, you're not doing something right. And so guess what? We stay a week and a half booked out. We're blessed. We stay busy. We love our job. I've been in here cleaning this shop for 2.5 hours for the guys get here. You know what? I'm excited. I say thank you, Lord, when I walk in that door. So next, Toyo Open Country AT3s is what I'm going to run. 35, 1250, 22s. Back a year and a half ago, Toyo finally said, all right, guys, what do we need? They invited us and 4 other shops. We had a meeting at the Toyo plant in Georgia. They only do 3 tour plants a year. For us to be one of those, once again, a blessing, okay? Open doors. So I and the rest of the other guys with other shops, I wish I could just name them all off. I'll put it down in the description so you guys know you can follow them too. Great group of guys. We helped design 18 sizes in this tire. So when you want something new, you need something new, because basically what we told Toyo is, you guys don't know what we need. We're over here mounting them, we're running them, we're listening to customers, and we know what the customers need. What we're missing on as far as ply rating, F-load on the new F250s, you run an 80 PSI tire, Dodge Rams, all these stupid TPMS tire lights that we hate so much. So they listen. We changed the side cleats up a little bit, mileage warranty, smooth tire. This is perfect. What I'm doing on this Jeep, to be honest with you, is what I call a happy wife, happy life. I can build this Jeep, she can run down the road, on the interstate, wherever. I didn't get no phone calls going, something's wrong with my vehicle. So it's pretty simple. And that's what we do. That's how I set up a lot of females Jeeps, a lot of young women that are going to school, high school, college. This is the way we're going to build their Jeep. So let's get to work. Guys are showing up. I'm going to start mounting, get a little B-roll. Let's go. All right, now we're the Jeep, so the boys are ready to go. So first and foremost, thank you to Rough Country. It's a 2.5-inch kit. It's not out yet. I can't tell you the part numbers, can't tell you all the ins and outs. Okay, V2 shocks. All you people that, once again, that want to badmouth Rough Country, one of the best in the business. No issues, no problems. Actually, if you do have a problem, you know what you do? You pick up the phone and you go, okay, hey guys, no problem. Got a shock bushing bad? I'll send you a new shock. Throw them in the dumpster, send me a picture, it's good. So for those that like to bash companies. And a lot of the problem with people bashing rough country, and not for you do-it-yourself guys, you want to do it at home, and then you don't want to take it somewhere and get the truck aligned or get the Jeep aligned, whether it's a Cherokee, whether it's a Wrangler, or whether it's a F-150. So 9 times out of 10, when we fix a problem, guys, what is it? Alignments?
Alignments, loose bolts missing.
Okay, so when we go through a vehicle, each one of our guys, so this is Anthony, everybody. So BMS Anthony, Instagram, TikTok master. Fool's making pennies every day just on TikTok.
Mark bolts.
Yeah, see, pin marks every bolt. Okay, you got Brady on the other side. He got a nice little fade, compliments of the Shop Hands Barbershop. Okay, but realistically, let's get back to what we're talking about. When you install lifts, whether it's arms, springs, the way these things are from the manufacturer and the way that Rough Country sets this up is so everything's set back to the manufacturer specs. If we touch a vehicle, the beautiful part about it is, if something happens, Rough Country has our back when it comes to liability, insurance, issues, problems. It's one of the reasons why we stay connected with good companies. And they call us and they go, hey, what do you need? We need this, this, and this. Mackie, what they call you the other day? They said, hey, looks like 6 to 8 inch kits on Chevys.
That's what we're needing, and that's what they're thinking about making for us.
Yeah, so Mackie says...
Big seller.
Big seller, yeah. Mackie says, okay, all right, let's go to work. So they said, all right, you guys take a trip, come up here, let's go through some stuff, let's get some parts out, let's work on a truck, and let's go from there. Which is a big part of our industry and ourselves. We build a lot of dealer vehicles. That's Mackie's job. Mackie's job is play in the woods on the weekends. So here we go, we're ready to work. So, I'm gonna talk louder because we're gonna keep working. So, Mackie, let's go for all the rock crawling people. Everybody wants to badmouth and say, "Oh, why are you gonna build a mall crawler? Why can't you build a rock crawler?" Blah 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 blah.
There's different things for different people. Not everyone goes to the woods every weekend. They may go twice a year, so they really don't need all the little components that the expensive lifts have to perform off-road and hold up off-road. Most of these are going down the road, commuting to work every day.
Yeah. Once school, work, women, and most men. I mean, there's a lot of guys that have Gladiators or JLs that drive daily and they have a rock crawl on the weekend. I mean, how many Jeeps you got?
Just one.
Just one. Had 2, 3, sold. So it's like my wife. My wife says, when are you going to lift my Jeep? She don't want to ride around in a stock Jeep. Nobody wants to. So that's what we're going to do. Anthony? What's the one thing you hate about those shock bolts?
Fender liner. Right in the way.
Show them your finger.
It's jacked up right now, but...
Okay.
All jacked up.
All jacked up.
All jacked up.
Okay. So, got slashed his finger the other day, 3-4 stitches, sends me a text, 8:30, says, okay, boss, I'll see you in the morning. Most of you pansies don't even want to get up because you got green in your underwear. You calling out sick. So, you're the ones that we got extra toilet paper for, okay? Come on with it. finally done. Didn't take as long, so of course not as many people. I'm doing wheels and tires while these guys are talking, doing the lift kits. So, guys, Anthony, I'll start with you. Give me some thoughts and then give me ins and outs on Jeep Start and what would you change if you change anything if you're talking to anybody or a manufacturer. What would you change?
As far as Jeep, they need to fix the fender liner to get easier access to the shock bolt. But other than that, I mean, there's not much. I mean, Jeeps are simple. They're easy to work on. And lift kit companies, Rough Country, they got it down when it comes to a lift kit. So, I mean, there's not much to complain about.
Yeah. The big thing is what we always try to push. Anything we do over 2.5 or 33-inch tire, make sure you're doing a dual stabilizer, right? I mean, Brady here. Brady's got a Cherokee. Brady plays in the woods all the time. Brakes crap. I mean, as you can tell. I mean, look at his earlobes. They're broke too. So give me your ins and outs on it.
Jeep-wise, with this kit, it's very easy to install. What did it take us, like an hour, if that?
Hour at most.
That's just, I really did this just during the week. I can go, come on guys, you did one the other day in 45 minutes.
Springs and shocks.
Yeah.
So you just drop the axle enough to slide the springs out.
Yeah, then after they go to the bathroom, take a poop, check their TikTok to make sure, one side of his head's shaved right. So, sorry, go ahead, I'm gonna interrupt.
But really nothing. Like Anthony said, Jeeps are really simple to work on, and Rough Country's got it down to exactly what we need for each kit that we order and put on the Jeeps. So, got the same kind of input.
Bingo. So Mackie, last one. So Mackie does all of our dealership sales. So he's really setting up all the new Gladiators. We've done quite a few here lately with 40s, 37s and 40s and some other stuff. We've got I think we've got 4 Gladiators to come in Monday. So what's your thought?
This is a great entry-level kit. Goes on easy, rides and drives nice. It has the ability to add arms if you need to down the road, if you want to do any kind of dialing in. But out of the box, basic kit, rides and drives great.
If you're going out wheeling with Brady, just make sure you bring some snacks because you're going to be stuck on the trail for a little while, okay? So, but that's why he's got a mattress in the back of his, okay?
I got a heavy foot.
So he's lying. He wears a 5.5 kid shoe, okay? So thank you for following us. All these guys, Anthony, Brady, Mackie. Follow us on Instagram, social media, whatever platform, share it. Everybody want to trash talk? Now's the time for the comments. We love them. Come on. So if you're going to hate on us, out back of the shop, we call this a collection department. We can talk about it out back. So just, stop by 789 West Main Street. So hit us up. So peace out.
Brady has a feel to actually lift a real Jeep instead of working on that old Cherokee.